In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Termux on the Play Store. To start, open the Google Play Store on your device. You will see a colorful icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. The Google Play Store is where you can find countless applications for your Android device. It's a hub for apps, games, and other software. Once you tap the icon, the store will open, displaying various categories and featured apps. This is your gateway to finding Termux, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will notice sections like top charts and categories, which will help you explore even more apps later. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is where you can enter the name of the app you want to find. It is usually indicated by a magnifying glass icon. When you tap on it, your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to enter text. This is a crucial step because directly searching for Termux will streamline your process. It saves you time compared to scrolling through lists. Once you've tapped the search bar, you are one step closer to finding Termux. Now type Termux into the search bar. Be sure to spell it correctly, as precise spelling ensures you find the right app. As you begin typing, you may notice suggestions appear below the search bar. These suggestions can help you quickly find what you are looking for. Typing Termux will narrow your search to the relevant applications. This is important because it helps you avoid confusion with other similar apps that may appear in the results. After you have typed Termux, press the search button on your keyboard. This action triggers the search and prompts the Google Play Store to display results based on what you have typed. You will see a list of apps related to your search term. This is a key moment, as you should be able to spot Termux among the results. The search results will not only show the app name but often include user ratings and a brief description. This information can help you confirm that you found the right app. Look for Termux by Frederick Fornwall in the search results. It is important to identify the correct developer because there may be other apps with similar names. Frederick Fornwall is the official developer of Termux, and recognizing this will ensure you are downloading the authentic application. You will notice an icon associated with the app, which will help distinguish it from others. Take your time to find this specific entry to avoid downloading an unrelated application. Once you find Termux, tap on it to open the app's page. This page provides more information about the app, including its features and user reviews. You will see screenshots and details that help you understand what Termux offers. This step is essential because it gives you a comprehensive overview before installation. It allows you to ensure that Termux fits your needs and expectations, giving you confidence in your download. Next up, tap the Install button on the app's page. This is where the installation process begins. Once you tap Install, the app will start downloading to your device. You will see a progress indicator showing the download status. This step is vital because it ensures that Termux is added to your applications. It might take a moment, but rest assured the wait is worth it. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message, and Termux will be ready for use. Thank you for following along. Enjoy using Termux.